Temu time. You wanna see what we got? Of course you do. I got a bag. Remember, everything that comes from Temu is packaged up. So that means you get to unbag everything. This one, they always smell plasticky too once you unpackage them, once you unbag them. But this one, when I was up in DC, I had a bag of all my morning stuff, all my nighttime stuff, and I thought it would be really nice to have one bag that had morning on one and evening on the other. So that's why I got this one. This does have a breathable area, so I guess if we have anything that goes in the shower, like wet-wise, it goes in there. So this is for Rich. I was up there, he told me that we needed to order another mouthwash container because the top of his broke, the little cup that it comes with. Looks like he's gonna be using the little plastic Dixie cup. These are plastic, and these are way cheaper than ours. This is but we have two of them. So maybe we'll see if Luke needs one or if my parents need one. I don't know what this is. It's gonna be so exciting to open it. Make your own makeup cushion things. That, and you move this, boink, and you put the foundation, any serums or whatever that you want, and you make your own cushion. So I have two that I've made up. So I got, because I want to see if mom wants one, so I can make up one for her. And then I want to have two grab bags ready to go if needed, one for the dog stuff and one for my stuff. But they're maybe $2 on Temu. So while it can take 2 weeks to get in, who cares? I can hold off and wait. And why do they wrap it in plastic? To protect it so it stays shiny and metally, because we want shiny and metally. And this, so there's a film on it. Like this is a mesh. I don't even remember what all I ordered whenever I get these things in, but don't tell Rich that one. But it's shiny. I ordered two of them, one for my travel bag and one for in the bathroom. And what it is it's a little metal tin and a foam, and it's supposed to be to clean your brushes between eyeshadow colors. Again, couple bucks, I figured I'd try it. This is something I got for Rich because I saw it, and I know he loves stuff like this. And it's a mesh sink strainer. It was supposed to have a little handle. It does not have a little handle, but it sits in your sink and then it catches all the icky stuff. So that's always good to have, and it could be good to get a new one. These are little puffs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what it was supposed to be, and I thought we could replace these, because I want to send, because they get dirty, right? So what if, would that fit in there, and then we send this current one through the wash? Does it fit? Is it the same size? It's more rabbity. Does it close? Kind of, as long as things don't hit it. So probably something a little bit, something a little bit thinner would be better, because that's a big difference in thickness. But we'll use these for something. They're cute little powder puffs. I need to do some scent stuff with Bert, and what I need to do is imprint something with my scent. So that'll go there, and we'll work on imprinting this with my scent over a few days so we can start it, see how he does. Oh, I found the metal top for the strainer. It was still in the bag. These, you can pop out your eyeshadows, how they come, and some of them are like, oh, I don't ever want to use that. So you can pop it out and move it onto here. I thought that looked like fun, so I ordered some. Again, checked Amazon, checked Temu, way cheaper on Temu for most of it, except for the little magnets and devices to pop it out, the little shovey outy wand. That was cheaper on Amazon, so that's been sitting here. Here's another little magnet palette. This one has a mirror. So you could put in whatever you want, and then you have a palette of things that you really like. I have some boxes, some different eyeshadow palettes, some different bronzing, contour, blushy palettes, and the palettes are huge. So if we could take the couple ones that I use, because some of them are way too dark for my skin tone, if we could take the ones that I use and pop them into something like this, then that works out pretty good. I got a third one. So the little one I thought could be travel size, and then the pretty one, and then the normal one. I got this because I like pink stuff. I just got new luggage we opened up in the back, and we're filling up. This I thought looked neat. It is Rose of Namon's Land. They put weird things. I don't know if they think that looks cool, but it makes you think that You know, like you see the foreign lettering and you're like, oh, it means rose. And no, it doesn't. So down here we could put brushes and we have some room. And then up top here, we've got a zipper. Oh, and that's a big area. You've got a little strap. You got another little zipper in here. And then these have wire to hold it open or hold it closed. So that's nice. I do like that. That's really nice. And it's a pretty, pretty shade. I'll keep that one. This is for my mom for when they travel. And there's a story behind it in the fact that my mom, when she graduated high school, she got yellow leather luggage from her parents. And we had that all growing up. We had this set of, I think it was 2 pieces of yellow leather luggage. And we could always find it at the airport. And I granted we had other luggage too. We didn't have a family of 5 with only 2 pieces of luggage. But like these were hers. So I ordered her, this is a 3 set of like bathroom stuff, right? So I ordered that for mom for Christmas. So I'm gonna put that aside for Christmas. I ordered a little stippling makeup brush. This is for me, it's pink. I have one that's black, I wanna say, and I do like it. I use it quite a bit. It doesn't shed too much. I've washed it a few times and it's washed up well, and it fits in your hand well for when you're doing. So I do like this size. So I kept that and I ordered that, and it's $1. So maybe $1.30 tops. It's not a lot, but it was good. And I ordered it all for Rich's mouthwash and it didn't work out. Sometimes I need to go on Amazon, and sometimes he gets to use a Dixie cup.